Have you ever felt exhausted just thinking about making AI videos? I mean, first you generate one scene image, then another scene image, then another. After that, you convert each image into a video clip one by one, adjust timings, fix transitions, and somehow try to keep the same character looking the same in every single scene. Honestly, it's not hard, it's hectic. And the worst part is, even after all that effort, your character's face changes, hairstyle changes, sometimes even the age changes. So the video doesn't feel professional or consistent at all. If you've been there, trust me, you're not alone. That's exactly why today's video is important. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate multiple AI videos automatically using the Grok AI Chrome extension, without manually creating separate scene images and without converting them into videos one by one. Yes, full automation. The method I'm sharing today completely removes the old headache. No need to generate different scene photos manually. No need to convert each photo into a video separately. No need to struggle with broken character consistency. Instead, this automation workflow handles everything in one smooth process. One of the biggest questions people ask me is, how do you keep the same character throughout the entire video? And that's what I really love about this method. Your character stays the same face, same style, same vibe, from the first scene to the last. Whether it's a talking avatar, storytelling video, or cinematic AI content, character consistency is maintained automatically. This is a game changer, especially if you're creating YouTube automation videos, story-based AI content, risk educational or explainer videos, or faceless channels with recurring characters. So if you want to save hours of manual work, avoid repetitive tasks, and create professional-looking AI videos at scale, this tutorial is for you. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll walk you through the exact automation setup step by step. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, open Chrome and search for the Grok Automation extension in the Chrome Web Store, or you can search for it directly there. After that, click Add to Chrome and install the extension. Once it is added, click on the extension icon and then close the window. Now open a new tab, click on the extension, and navigate to Grok. This will open Grok AI, and you should already have a Grok account. You can sign in by selecting Continue with Google. After signing in, you will see options like text to video, frame to video, text to image, and image to image. The prompt option will already be selected, and below it you need to set the prompt delay to 20. If you have multiple prompts, they will all be handled here. Next, go to Settings and make sure the default mode is text to video, keep the model on default, select the 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube landscape, set the video download quality to 720p, and then click Save Settings. After that, come back to the main screen. Now I asked ChatGPT to write a story for me by giving a topic and requested a 500-word cartoon script, which ChatGPT generated. After that, I asked ChatGPT to generate visual prompts from that story. You must already have prompts generated for whatever story or script you are using. One important thing to remember is that the prompts should be generated without headings and without numbering. I specifically asked for 3D cartoon style, smooth flow between prompts, and character appearance in brackets in every prompt for character consistency, and also clearly mentioned that the prompts should be in English without headings and numbers. As you can see, ChatGPT added the character appearance in every single prompt. From here, you need to copy all the prompts, even though I am only copying 4 as an example. Then go back to Grok AI and paste all the prompts into the prompt list. Once the prompts are added, click Done. After that, do not touch anything and just wait patiently. The videos will start generating one by one, and each video will automatically download and be saved in your Downloads folder. After clicking Run, leave it as it is and continue with your other work. After about 10 to 15 minutes, check your Downloads folder and you will see that all the videos have been downloaded. Finally, do your basic editing as you normally do. This is how you can use Grok Automation to generate all videos at once. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you liked it, please give it a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe for the latest useful content, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.